Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick inform video. In today's video, we're talking about Verizon, especially, or specifically, should I say, Verizon Prepaid. So let's get into these news. Is brought to you by Verizon's website. So it says, so this was released actually about 2 days ago, June 24. At least in making this video, depends when it releases. But it says new Verizon Prepaid plans add more value and reward loyalty with monthly discounts. And since I mainly do like content on Boost Mobile and stuff, this really did kind of strike me as, where have I seen this before? And yes, of course, Boost Mobile used to have, they were, I think, the first to do this loyalty discount where it started like at $60 a month, and then like every 6 months, as long as you pay it on time, you get $5 discount until you reached, I believe, $40 or $35 a month for unlimited data, which was pretty big back in the day. Like I said, this was way back in the day. So let's see what Verizon's doing. And I think this is pretty big news because Verizon, of course, everybody knows is the biggest carrier here in the United States. Yes, they are the most expensive, but prepaid, I want to see what's going to happen with their prepaid with these discounts. But it says rates in the new prepaid plan decrease over time. So the longer you stay, the more you save. Plus unlimited plans starting at lower price. That's actually a pretty good, idea. And I think that's how many people like to Boost Mobile. And like I said, I think this is a good idea with Verizon. Prepaid that way. If you think about it, I think other carriers might start doing this as well. I don't know. Like I said, I think Verizon can get away with it just because that they're so big and they have the best coverage. Other carriers are probably just lower their plans or something like that. But this is a good way to keep loyal customers. And like I say, it's a loyalty reward program. That way, if you get your plan really cheap, you don't want to go ahead and, change carriers and then start all over again. So that's what I'm trying to say. But it says customers save $5 after 3 months. Wow. Basically the same thing. Like I said, it's just this one's 3 months and another $5 after 9 months. Wow. Unlimited plan starts at $65 a month, as low as $50 a month after 9 months. So it's 9 months. I have to wait to drop your bill $15 on the limited plan on prepaid. But still, 9 months, it's a pretty long time. So that's what I'm saying. Like, people probably won't want to port out to, let's say, T-Mobile or Sprint or AT&T or whoever they want and then have to start all over again. So I think this is a smart move on Verizon. It says talk, text, data in Mexico and Canada now included in the unlimited plan. Wow. So let's see what from New York. I guess Verizon has announced yet another compelling reason to switch to and stay with the nation's best network. Beginning today, Verizon prepaid customers are eligible for new savings at lower monthly rates the longer you stay with Verizon. Wow. New and existing. So it's pretty cool that it's going to be new and existing customers who sign up for those non-annual contract plans, aka prepaid, can save as much as $15 per month with autopay. So it's another thing, I guess, that a little caveat that you need is you have to have auto pay enabled. Same thing, they just want to make sure. Like I said, it's a pretty smart move if you think about it. Like I said, it's going to make customers stay with Verizon and as well make sure that they pay their bill with auto pay. The new Verizon prepaid plans now feature discounts as low monthly cost $5 after 3 months and $10 after 9 months. Customers who sign up for the auto pay will receive an additional $5 off, bringing the total to $15 per month. Oh, so you don't really have to do auto pay, but you save an extra $5, and not the max you'll save is $10, which I think is still a good deal. But auto pay, you're gonna pay your bill either way. Might as well add $5 more discount. It says customers have made it clear that value matters, but they're not willing to compromise on quality. We're empowering customers with no annual contract plans at great prices that meet the challenge ahead. So Verizon SVP, whatever. And then he just basically said, with Verizon Prepaid, the longer you stay, the more you'll save. The Verizon Prepaid Unlimited plan enables customers to do more with unlimited 4G LTE data on number one rated best network in the nation for as low as $50 a month for 9 months. The plan now includes unlimited talk, text, data to and from Mexico and Canada, which is pretty cool. If you travel to Mexico, Canada, unlimited customers can add on mobile hotspot for $5 per month to extended connectivity. Okay, so it does not come with mobile hotspot. If you do want mobile hotspot, it'll cost you an additional $5, which I don't know many people that even use mobile hotspot. That's just personally me. It says, with our new loyalty savings, customers can choose our 5 gig plan with mobile hotspot included for as low as $25 a month. Wow, it's actually a pretty good deal. But remember, this is after the savings. We'll look at the chart down here. So like it says, all plans include unlimited talk, text in the US, unlimited talk to more than 200 international destinations, $5 a month discount for after the first month when you sign up for autopay, lower rates the longer you stay, $5 off for 3 months, $10 off for 9 months. And here's the chart, very nice little chart that they added. Like I said, so you want to look at the start price down here. So for 5 gigs, it's $40 for 5 gigs, which, yeah, that's kind of expensive because, you know, there's other carriers like Visible Wireless that offers $40 for unlimited. But this one, like I said, you can technically get it cheaper. So $40 after 3 months, you get it for $30. And then after, because remember, it's $5 off, but then with autopay, it's an additional $5 off. And then after 9 months, you'll get it down to $25. And it says right there with autopay. Now, for 15 gigs, which I think is a nice sweet spot, I mean, that would be good for me. I've never used more than, I think, even 10 gigs, even though I have unlimited data on my phone. I mean, I just got Wi-Fi everywhere, so $50, and then $40, and then $35 for 15 gigs. I think that's a steal. And then $65, which is the most expensive plan. Yeah, you're going to be paying that for a while, but then it'll drop down to $55 after 3 months, and then finally $50, which I think that's a really good deal for unlimited data. But like I said, yes, like I said, Visible Wireless is technically $40 unlimited. And you know, at that price point too, I think Total Wireless and Straight Talk offer it for around that same price. So, but you know, you might argue that Verizon Prepaid, they might get priority data. I don't know. Let's go ahead and check that out. It says customers can bring their own phone or purchase a new Verizon phone. Managing an account is easy with my Verizon app. Blah blah blah. Taxes and fees apply. So these prices basically are not including taxes. So you will still have to pay your taxes. So that might be another $3 or $4, whatever it is. Excuse me. The $5 a month loyalty discount applies for 3 months of service. Additionally, $5 a month applies after 9 months of service, and then $10 after the 10 months, basically. Discounts apply as long as your line is not disconnected. Wow. Discount applies. So that kind of sucks. It has to be consecutive. Basically, here's the fine print where we want to read is, I guess, I wonder if it just stops at that time. So let's say you have 2 payments and you need one more to get the $5 discount. And then if you don't pay your bill on time or it gets cut off, it's either going to stop, you have to start over, or it's probably just going to stop and save your last save spot, which is you need one more payment. It says, and of course, the $5 auto pay discount starts after the first month. It says, now, this is another thing with their unlimited plan, is it's DVD quality streaming up to 480p, guys. So you're not going to get HD streaming with this. I believe you can push it to 720 even with this, but 1080 you will not. So that kind of sucks. If you're not near Wi-Fi, you're not going to get the full-blown HD experience. It says, in times of congestion, wow, there's another caveat there, your data might be temporarily slowed in traffic. So basically you do not have any priority data. So once you actually, let's say you go to a concert or something like that, and it's a very congested network, which Verizon is very congested since it's one of the biggest carriers here, at least in North Carolina. It gets very congested. So you might want to watch out because your speeds will suffer. It's happened to me before, and sometimes it's unusable. So like I said, you're not going to get that all the time, but let's say, if there's a big concert or some big event in your area and there's a lot of people on the Verizon network, yes, it will slow your speeds down. It says once high-speed data is used, including mobile hotspot on applicable plans, you will have 2G speeds. So this is talking about these other plans. Once you run out of your 5 gig or 15 gig, your speeds will be basically unusable. 2G speeds are very slow. And then same thing, your videos and audio streaming might be impacted once it's actually slowed down. And then it says 4G world devices required, so you need a 4G device. Let's just talking about a little bit more about more international stuff there. Here's the mobile hotspot, which is pretty slow. It says mobile hotspot and tethering available on the limited plan for $5 a month, includes 10 gigs of high-speed data. So for $5 a month, you'll get 10 gigs of high-speed data, guys. So then it slows down, or should I say it crawls down, or basically it stops at 600 kilobits per second for the remainder of the month, which is basically unusable. Might as well just say it's not even there. Your data experience and functionality on some data applications such as streaming video and audio may be impacted. It says not all international carriers support texts that originate from the US. Wow. So yes, that was kind of long, but let me know in the comments below, guys, what do you think about this? Do you guys already have, some of you already have prepaid Verizon, or you know somebody, and are they excited about this? Like I said, I kind of like it. It's good for Verizon, I guess, that they're offering this kind of discount, you know, especially if you already have them and you're going to be with them for years. This is a good way to save extra money, which is great because everybody knows Verizon is the most expensive carrier out there. So I think it's some good changes coming their way. So yeah. So thank you for watching, guys. Dragon Warfare sign off. Please comment, rate, subscribe, hit that little bell to be notified when new videos come out, and let me know what you think about this video, and more will come your way. Thank you.